Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2x plus 5 to the power 3x equal to 39. Our job is to find all possible values of x such that x is a real number. So let's start. 5 to the power x plus, we can rewrite this 5 to the power 2x as 5 to the power x whole squared plus, can rewrite this 5 to the power 3x as 5 to the power x whole cubed equal to 39. Now we suppose that let 5 to the power x equal to u. So this equation will become u plus u squared plus u cubed equal to 39. Rearrange these terms and move this 39 to the left hand side. The equation will become u cubed plus u squared plus u minus 39 equal to 0. Next, u cubed plus u squared plus u minus, this 39 is same as 27 plus 9 plus 3 equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become u cubed plus u squared plus u minus 27 minus 9 minus 3 equal to 0. Next, u cubed plus u squared plus u minus 27 can be written as 3 cubed minus 9 can be written as 3 squared minus 3 equal to 0. Now we group this u cubed with this negative 3 cubed, and we group this u squared with this negative 3 squared, and we group this u with this negative 3. So the equation will become u cubed minus 3 cubed plus u squared minus 3 squared plus u minus 3 equal to 0. Now to expand these two expressions, we use two algebraic identities. The first one is a cubed minus b cubed equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared, and the second is a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b times a minus b. By using this identity, this u cubed minus 3 cubed will become u minus 3 times u squared plus 3 times u plus 9, and by using this identity, this u squared minus 3 squared will become plus u plus 3 times u minus 3 plus this u minus 3 remains same equal to 0. Now this u minus 3 is a common factor, so we factor out this u minus 3, and in bracket left u squared plus 3 times u plus 9 plus u plus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become u minus 3 times u squared, 3u plus u will become 4 times u, and 9 plus 3 12 plus 1 plus 13 equal to 0. Either this expression u minus 3 equal to 0, or this expression u squared plus 4 times u plus 13 equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, we see that the discriminant of this equation is less than 0 or greater than 0. Since b is 4, so the discriminant will be equal to 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 13. So this will be equal to 4 squared is 16, and negative 4 times 13 negative 52, and 16 minus 52 will become negative 36. It means that the discriminant, that is also called delta, is less than 0. So no real solution is possible from this case. And from this case, if we move this negative 3 to the right hand side, this implies that u is equal to 3. And to find the value of x, recall that we have supposed that 5 to the power x equal to u. We have supposed that 5 to the power x equal to u. Since u is 3, so 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x will be equal to 3, and we take a log of both sides. This will become log of 5 to the power x equal to log of 3. By using this log property, log of a to the power m equal to m times log of a. This log of 5 to the power x will become x times log of 5 equal to log of 3. If we divide both sides by log of 5, this implies that x is equal to log of 3 divided by log of 5. And by using this log property, log of a over log of b equal to log base b of a. This log of 3 over log of 5 will become x is equal to log base 5 of 3. This is the final value of x. This is the final answer of this problem. Now let's verify this value of x by putting this value in the original equation. The original equation is 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power 2x plus 5 to the power 3x equal to 39. We replace every x with this log base 5 of 3, so the equation will become 5 to the power log base 5 of 3 plus 5 to the power 2 times log base 5 of 3 plus 5 to the power 3 times log base 5 of 3. Is this equal to 39? Next, 5 to the power log base 5 of 3 plus this expression can be written as 5 to the power log base 5 of 3 whole squared, and this can be written as 5 to the power log base 5 of 3 whole cubed. Is this equal to 39? By using this log property, b to the power log base b of a equal to a. This 5 to the power log base 5 of 3 will become 3 plus this 5 to the power log base 5 of 3 whole square will become 3 squared plus this 5 to the power log base 5 of 3 whole cubed will become 3 cubed. Is this equal to 39? Next, 3 plus 3 squared is 9 plus 3 cubed is 27. Is this equal to 39? 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 27 is 39 equal to 39. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It means that the value of x log base 5 of 3 is a valid solution.